So the sort of things that we learn about in politics and society, we start learning about power and decision making in schools. Then we move on to power and decision making in Ireland and Europe, and we talk about things like social class and gender and the media. And we also move on to very important topics of the day, including globalisation, sustainable development and human rights and responsibilities in Ireland and Europe.
I was interested in politics and the wider world outside of school, so I thought politics and society would be a great choice to broaden my knowledge and fascination. I genuinely love politics and society. It is one of my favourite classes, and I'm so glad I chose the subject.
So the subject is examined. There is examination which is worth 80%. In that examination there are short questions, there are data questions where students are presented with some data and they have to analyse the data and answer questions on it. And then there are essays. So for higher level, students would have to write 2 essays, and at ordinary level, students would write 3 essays. And there's also a citizenship project, which is worth 20%. That project is on topics which are relevant, currently relevant. So at the moment, some of the Leaving Cert students are doing topics on fast fashion and also on mobile phone ownership for primary school children.
At the moment, I find the topic 7, globalisation and identity, really interesting. We learned how the world interacts with each other, such as the European Union and ethnic groups. I personally find essay writing a struggle, but I get great feedback from my teacher and great support.
So politics and society would suit students who are generally inquisitive, who want to find out about the world around them. Maybe students who have been interested in CSP as a junior cert subject and found some of the topics interesting. I suppose students who are interested in doing their own research, keeping up with current affairs, and maybe going deeper in kind of current stories and thinking about them and thinking what's behind current stories that are going on in our country and in our world.